Let's cook pulled beef brisket. So beef brisket is a walk in the park to slow cook. Basically, all you need to do, guys, is pat dry it. I've cut mine into 4 pieces, so it cooks a little bit quicker. And then season it with salt and cracked black pepper. Then put an oven-proof dish on to a high heat and sear your meat off. It needs to be a nice caramelized golden brown colour, because that will add a ton of flavour. A couple of carrots, a couple of onions, some rosemary, some garlic, adds flavour to it. The carrots are yummy to eat afterwards as well. And then I'm using gluten-free beef stock, but if you're not gluten-free, guys, just use bloody beef stock. And then basically some parchment paper over. That's going to help prevent it from burning and also sticking to the foil, little hole in there. And then the foil over the top as well. Your oven at 160°C, roughly 2 to 3 hours, and then that's it, it's done.